Good morning everyone. Today we will do exercise 3.4. Find the product. These sums are of multiplication. Questions are multiply by a 3-digit number. Multiplication by a 3-digit number. Okay, let's start. Exercise 3.4. Question 1. Find the product. We have given 223 multiplied by 200. 223 multiplied by 200. First we'll write ones, tens, 100. Here in this question we have to multiply by 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number. First we'll frame question. When we multiply one digit, it remains same. When we multiply by second digit, we will put 1 cross. When we multiply by third digit, we will put 2 cross. Why we put 2 cross? Because we are multiplying by 100 place, so there will be no number on ones place and no number on tens place. Okay, then we will add all these. Okay, let's start. First we will multiply by 0, 0, 3, 0. When you multiply any number by 0, answer is always 0. We are multiplying 0 by 3, 0 by 2, 0 by 2. Again 0 by 3, 0 by 2, 0 by 2. Now put 1 cross, 0, 0, 0. Now we will multiply by 2. Speak table of 2 till 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now add 0, 0, 6, 4, 4. This is the product of given question. Okay. Let's remember, when we are multiplying by 3-digit number, in second line we will put 1 cross. When we are multiplying by tens place, when we are multiplying by 100 place, we will put 2 cross. There will be no number on ones place or and tens place. Okay, I am explaining one more question, that is fourth question. 429 multiplied by 246. One more thing, when you multiply, please keep in your mind, ones place should be in one line, tens place in one line, 100 place in one line, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Okay. Now multiply 429 multiplied by 246. 429 multiplied by 246. First we'll frame question. There are 3-digit multiplication by 3-digit. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In second line, when we are multiplying by tens place number, we will put 1 cross. When we are multiplying by 100 place, we will put 2 cross. We will add all this. Okay, now start question. First, we will multiply 6 by 9. Speak table of 6 till 9. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, like so on. 6 9s are 54. So this 4 will come here and 5 will be carry over on tens place. 6 9s are 54. 4 will come here and 5 will be carry over on tens place. Now multiply 6 by 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17. 7 यहाँ आएगा और 1 carry over next number पे चला जाएगा. Okay. Now multiply 6 by 4. When you multiply by 6, forget you have 2 and 4. आप भूल जाइए आपके 2 and 4 है. 6 by 9, 6 by 2, 6 by 4. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. Look, ones place should be in one colon. Okay. Now start multiplying by 4. Forget you have 2 and 6. इनको भूल जाइए. Now start by 4. First you will multiply 4 by 9, 4 by 2, 4 by 4. When you multiplying 4 by 9, answer will come here. 4 by 2 here, 4 by 4 here. 4 9s are 36. 6 will come here. Now we are multiplying 4 by 9. So 3 will be carry over on tens place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry over. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Now multiply by 2. 2 9s are 18. You can rub these carry over, so there will be no confusion. 2 multiply by 9. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. There is no carry over. 2 4s are 8. Now add this. 4, 13, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1 7 plus 8 15, 1 carry over. 3 plus 7 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry over 10. Okay, I am explaining one more question. Please look carefully. Question number 5. 809 multiply by 312. First you will frame question. This is multiplication by 3-digit number 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 you will leave 3 lines, then you will add the answer. In second line we will put 1 cross, in third line we will put 2 cross. Okay, you have to frame question. When you are multiplying by 2, forget about 1 and 3. इसको भूल जाइए 1 और 3 को. Forget. अभी आप ध्यान से सुनिए बेटा. Forget. Okay. Now multiply 2 by 9. 2 9s are 18. 18. 8 यहाँ पर आएगा और 10 1s प्लेस का 8 यहाँ आएगा. 1 कैरी ओवर और नेक्स्ट नंबर. Now 2 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. 2 0 0 0 plus 1 1. Multiply 2 by 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 यहाँ आ जाएगा. Okay. Now forget about 2 and 3. इसको भूल जाइए. 2 and 3 को multiply by 1. 1 9s are 9. 1 0 0. 1 8s are 8. Now forget about 1 and 2. Multiply by 3. 3 9s are 3 0s are 3 8s are. 3 9s are 27. 27. 7 will come here. 2 carry over. 3 0 0 plus 2 2. 3 8s are 24. There is no carry over, so write 24 here. Now add 8 plus 0. Cross means 0 0. 8 plus 0 plus 0 8. 1 plus 9 10. तो 1 कैरी ओवर यहाँ पर आप छोटा सा लगा देंगे. 1 कैरी ओवर. ठीक है. नाउ 6 प्लस 1 7. 7 प्लस 7 14. 1 कैरी ओवर. 1 प्लस 1 2. 2 प्लस 2 4 प्लस 8 12. 1 कैरी ओवर 5 2. Clear? I am explaining one more question. Question number 8. 4 7 3 multiply by 2 0 8. First you have to frame question. Multiplication by 3-digit 1 2 3. Leave 3 lines. 1 2 3. Draw 2 lines. Here you have to write sum of these 3 rows. Okay. Now put 1 cross here. In second line. In third line put 2 cross. Okay. Now speak table of 8 till 3. 8 3s are 24. 2 carry over. 8 7s are 56 plus 2 58. 5 carry over. 4 8 4s are 32 plus 5 37. There is no number, so you will write complete 37 here. It will become 3784. Now multiply by 0. 0 by 3 0. 0 by 7 0. 0 by 4 0. You know table of 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. If you multiply any number by 0, answer is 0. Now start multiplying by 2. First you will multiply by 2 by 3, then 2 by 4, then 2 by 7, 2 by 4. 2 by 3, 2 3s are 6, so you will write here 6. Because there is 2 cross, 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. First you will multiply 2 by 7, 2 7s are 14. 1 carry over. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now add this. 4, 8, 13, 1 carry over, 8, 9. This is the answer of this question. Clear? Now you have to do practice of multiplication of by 3-digit number. Okay. Now we will do exercise 3.5. 3.5 is round off. We will do later on. We will do now 3.6. Solve these story sums. First is Preeti collected rupees 150 from each member of the book club for purchasing books. If there are 9 members, how much money did Preeti collect? Read again. Preeti collected 150 rupees from each member. Preeti has collected how much money? 150 from every member of book club. She has collected 150 from every member. It means from one member she collected 150. So from 9 members she will be collect 150 multiplied by 9. How will write? Money collected from one member rupees 150. Money collected from 9 members. देखो, if you have given 1, अगर आपको ज़्यादा के लिए निकालना है, you always multiply. Suppose cost of 1 pen is 10 rupees. तो 5 पेन का कॉस्ट क्या होगा? You will multiply 50 rupees. Same way, 1 मेंबर अगर 150 दे रहा है तो 9 मेंबर कितना मनी देगा? यू विल मल्टीप्लाई, इट मीन्स 9 मेंबर विल गिव 1350. क्लियर? अगर आपको 1 दिया हुआ है, आपको ज़्यादा निकालना है, यू ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई, यू ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. John pays rupees 997 towards his school fee every month. It means John's gives school fee per month 997. Find the amount paid as fee for a year. It means how much money John pay for whole year. पूरे साल कितनी मनी देता है? 1 year. How many months in 1 year? 12 months. तो John pays in 1 month 997. John pays in 12 months. Multiply 997 multiply by 12. Okay, how we'll do question number 2? Very in easy language. Fee of 1 month, 1 year 12 months. Fee of 1 month rupees 997. Fee of 12 months, multiply 997 by 12. When you multiply, answer is 11,964. Amount paid as fee by John is rupees 11964. Clear? Now next question 3. 200. Question number 3. 215 books are placed in a rack. There are 43 such racks in the library. How many books does the library have? 215 books are placed in a rack. एक बुक रैक है, उसमें कितनी बुक्स हैं? 215. How many racks in library? 43. तो total books we can kept in racks, 43 racks. We will multiply 215 multiply by 43. If we can keep books in one rack 215, तो in 43 racks we can keep books. We will multiply. It means books in one rack 215, books in 43 racks. एक रैक में 215 बुक्स है तो 43 रैक्स में कितनी आएंगी? 1 दिया हुआ है, ज़्यादा निकालना है, यू ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई. यू विल मल्टीप्लाई. आंसर इज 9,245 बुक्स. आंसर इज लाइब्रेरी हैव 9,245 बुक्स. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Meena has 732 rupee note. Meena has some money. She has 50 rupees note. उसके पास बहुत सारे नोट है 50 रुपीज़ के. कितने हैं? 732. How much money does Meena have? It means मीना के पास कितनी मनी है? मीना के पास 50 रुपीज़ के बहुत सारे नोट है. That are 732. It means if we multiply 732 multiply by 50, we got money. Okay, Meena has 732 50 rupees note. So how much money Meena has? Meena has 732 multiply by 50. If you multiply by 50, answer is 36,600. It means Meena has 36,600. Next question number 5. A bicycle cost rupees 1,279. What will be the cost of 26 such bicycle? If you go to market, we purchase one bicycle that is cost 1,279. But you want to purchase 26 bicycle. अगर one bicycle की cost इतनी है तो 26 की कितनी होगी? 1 की पता है, ज़्यादा की निकालनी है. You will multiply. Cost of one bicycle 1,279. Cost of 26 bicycle. You will multiply. Answer will come in rupees. When you multiply, answer is 33,254. 33,254. Last question. 537 buttons are produced by a factory every day. Every day means daily. How much buttons produced in a factory? 537. If the factory works every day of the month, मतलब फैक्ट्री डेली चलती है, हर डे डेली चलती है, मतलब पूरा मंथ. How many buttons will it produce in the month of March? Now how many days in March? You know ना, this Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. जो ऊपर वाला है वहाँ होंगे 31. जो नीचे वाला है वहाँ होंगे 30. ऊपर होगा 31, नीचे होगा 30, ऊपर होगा 31, नीचे होगा 30, ऊपर होगा 31. एक्सेप्ट फेब्रवरी को छोड़ दीजिए. ओके, जैन, फेब, मार्च. हाउ मेनी डेज इन मार्च? 31. जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. तो मार्च हैज़ 31 डेज. इट मीन्स अगर एक फैक्ट्री में डेली हर रोज़ 537 बटन्स बनते हैं तो मार्च मंथ में कितने बटन बनेंगे? मार्च में कितने डेज होते हैं? 31. सो विल मल्टीप्लाई 537 बाय 31. March month is equal to 31 days. Buttons produced in 1 day 537. Buttons produced in 31 days. You will multiply 537 by 31. Answer is 16,647 buttons. Okay, this is the answer. Beta, multiplication is very easy. But if you will not do practice, you cannot do multiplication. So do practice again and again by multiplication by 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. Okay, should I explain one more question? Okay, I am explaining one more question again. You have given multiplication by 3 digit number, any number 3, 4, 7 multiply by 2, 5, 3. First you will frame question 1, 2, 3 लाइन छोड़ेंगे, यहाँ 1 क्रॉस लगाएंगे, यहाँ 2 क्रॉस लगाएंगे. आप पहले 3 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन 3 by 4, 3 by 3. यहाँ पे आंसर आ जाएगा. Then 5 by 7, 5 by 4, 5 by 3, then 2 by 7, 2 by 4, 2 by 3, then add all these. Okay, clear? Thank you. Have a nice day and do practice of multiplication.